The blizzard to remember is soon to be wrapped up. We are tracking the remaining flakes, mainly on the eastern side of the state. Thankfully, the worst is over. Thanks for watching the Fox 61 News at 6. I'm Brent Harden.
And I'm Sarah Sanchez. A blizzard warning is still in effect for blowing snow into tomorrow morning. Chief Meteorologist Rachel Frank has been working around the clock for us. So blizzard warning, but has some of that dropped in parts of the state?
Yes, it actually did. It just dropped a little while ago. So all of the warnings are now gone, which is a good sign. There's a little bit of leftover snow still falling and a lot of leftover snow on the ground.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, 1 to 2 feet of snow and even over 2 feet in parts of eastern Connecticut. So for areas like Stonington, which came in with over 30 inches of snow, I mean, that's, one of the bigger storms that you'll see in your lifetime there. Here's a look at the radar right now, and we've still got in Stonington some snow that is ongoing. So it just has not ended. Here's a look at those snowfall totals I was telling you about. Again, over 30 inches in North Stonington. That has been the jackpot with this storm, eastern Connecticut, but also the immediate shoreline and in western Connecticut, right around the New York border. But again, most of the state getting 1 to 2 feet, higher amounts east, slightly lower amounts here north of the Connecticut River Valley. Some of these totals are a couple hours old, so it is possible that we did get up to a foot of snow kind of in between observations. So the snow is going to continue to wind down. There is still a chance for an additional coating of snow, especially in eastern areas. And now it's all about cleaning up that heavy, wet snow, because it might be, as you're kind of chipping away at it, might be a 2-day job, so watch your back. For the last storm, this was really light, fluffy snow, easy to move. People were saying you could sneeze it off your car, and this time around, it is really got a lot of water content in it. Slippery spots also, obviously, that's a no-brainer. That's going to remain, and in some areas, roads may not even be fully plowed just yet. So we do have a little bit of snow right now in the Hartford area, also over through Tolland and Ellington, but this is really kind of the last hurrah here in Mystic, Stonington, Plainfield, and Killingly. I do think this will wind down over the next 2 hours. It might take until 8 o'clock to get the last flakes to get out of here. I don't even need to point out where this storm is. It's just so, of course, as I point, but it's just such a classic textbook nor'easter, and there it is, pulling away. So here's a look at the timing of the end. Tomorrow is beautiful, but we have another problem on the 7-day, maybe 2, some additional snow. Nothing like this, but poorly timed. We'll explain. Your full forecast is coming up.